In today's video, I am going to teach you how to Word template converted to Pandadoc. To begin, you will work inside your Pandadoc account, so make sure you are ready to follow along on your computer screen. First, log in to pandadoc.com. When you arrive at the sign-in page, enter your login credentials and complete the sign-in process. Once you are logged in, you should land on your main dashboard or home area, where you can manage templates and documents. Next, we are going to open the template area. Look to the left sidebar in the interface and click on Templates. This section is where Pandadoc stores your existing document templates and where you can create new ones. After you click Templates, you may see a list of templates, along with options to start a new template. Now you are ready to create a new template. Find the green Create button and click it. The green button stands out for a reason, because it is the starting point for generating a template that you can later reuse. After you select Create, the page should change to show you an upload area or an option to add your document. Once the Create page is open, you will upload your Word file. Drag and drop your Word file, which should be in .com format, into the upload area. Keep an eye on the upload area, so you can tell when Pandadoc has received the file. If the screen shows a drop zone, you can drop the file directly there. If your browser prompts you with permissions, accept them so the upload can complete. Uploading the Word file is important because it is the foundation for the converted template. After the file finishes uploading, open the document. Depending on how the page is set up, you may see a preview or a document view. Click or open the newly uploaded document so you can review what Pandadoc imported from your Word template. This step ensures that the content, formatting, and structure look right before you send anything out. Now that you are viewing the document, you will choose the file type that enables editing. Select File and click on Editable Document. This option tells Pandadoc that you want the document to be editable in the template editor, not just viewed as a static file. Taking this step is key, because it affects how you can modify text, fields, and other elements later. After selecting Editable Document, you should see the document in an editable template format. At this point, review and check the content carefully. Look through the document to confirm that the text is present and that the layout matches what you expect from your original Word file. If anything looks off, review the corresponding sections and make sure they display correctly. This is your chance to catch formatting issues early, before you share the template with recipients. Finally, you will be ready to send or distribute it, depending on how you are using it. Find the option to review and send, and click it. This typically opens a final review screen where you can confirm recipients and any delivery settings. Next, click Recipient to select the intended recipients for the document. Once you have selected the correct recipient information, you can proceed with sending or finalizing the workflow in Pandadoc. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.